So you guys ready for another adventure? It's LisaB, your local neighborhood realtor, taking you out the backcountry up here in northern Michigan. So we are gonna go snowshoeing on the North Country Trail. This is one of the longest trails. It's so stunning and gorgeous, and it's actually longer than the Appalachian Trail. But check this out, we're gonna go snowshoeing today. While we're out snowshoeing, I'm always hunting for mushrooms, and check out what I found. This here is a very old, what they call chicken of the woods, aka lady porous, and it's frozen and very old, but really good eating when it's warm. Summertime months. Check out this beautiful birch grove we're in. It's a Sasquatch. Is it Bigfoot? The Sasquatch? Ooh, you found the mother lode. Alright, so it's not the elusive Sasquatch, but we have found the elusive Chaga. Oh, woo! Trying to climb over this with snowshoes on. Ooh, that's a beautiful one. So we're out here harvesting some Chaga mushroom. Now Chaga mushroom, this is what it looks like here. You gotta be really careful of a couple things. One, only take it where it's bountiful and plenty. And you also wanna leave like a third of it left onto the tree. So I'm going to leave this section here so it can continue to grow. This stuff takes years to grow, sometimes up to 40 years. What you need a hatchet, because this stuff is hard as a rock. And what's really interesting is once you get this cut off, you actually have to dry it because it's a really wet mushroom. There's tons of health benefits and antioxidants, as well as it's been rumored. I'm not a health professional, so I'm not going to say the validity of this, but that it can help with lots of cancers. So it's a really great thing to include into your diet. You can do it powdered as a tea. Now it is considered an endangered mushroom. So reishi mushroom is another mushroom that's a great alternative to chaga if you don't have some in your region. As this stuff can be over harvested, as well as it takes so many years just to grow and become this size. So reishi mushroom is a much better choice if you're looking for the same type of health benefits. We're gonna get some of this. Oh. Yeah. If you're very, very quiet, you can hear the trees talking. Oh, those are snowmobiles. That's not the trees.
Hello!
And that was John. So if you guys had fun on this adventure, subscribe to my channel down below. And if you're looking at buying or selling a house up in northern Michigan, hit me up. You can go, all my contact information is in the description down below. You can even click on a Zoom link and schedule a Zoom meeting if that's more convenient for you guys. And I hope you guys had an awesome time on this adventure. See you on the next one.